Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Latham Buick Pontiac GMC here in lovely downtown Richmond, Michigan. I'm Ralph, and I'd like to take you on a quick walk around of this 2007 Pontiac G6. And what a beautiful car it is, folks. It's got your black ebony interior, it's crimson red, aluminum wheels, V6, and it's pretty as a picture, folks. It's very, very, very clean. Like most of the cars in our inventory, folks, low miles. This one's 12,000 miles. Fresh off lease with GMAC. Power windows, power locks, the power height adjustment on the chair, automatic, the chrome appointments, the cruise on the steering wheel. Just a lovely, lovely car, folks. And again, 12,000 miles. I took the liberty doing the searches on G6s prior to doing this video. If you're doing them, you probably noticed, boy, this Latham, they are dominant. Dominant on miles, dominant on price. That's what we do, folks. It's not too tricky. We buy the cars the same place as everybody else. We just buy the best cars and we sell them for less. That's what you do. You want to save some money? You want a really nice car? Like this car. Still has its 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty intact. Trouble-free driving, ladies and gentlemen. And we do it to stay in business and to save you money. That's what we do. We buy the best late model, low mileage cars we can, and we sell them for less. Give us a call, please. 586-727-3115, and let's arrange a test drive in this lovely car today. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen.